Hello, welcome to my bake sale. It's for a charity. My friend's dying, so can you please help?
No, I'm sorry. I don't want anything.
Well, can you come back later?
Yeah, sure.
You should really help the charity, the people who really need.
Yeah, I'm really in need to get away from this place.
Mommy, she's gonna die.
Next door. Hello.
Hi, I'm here to get my fortune told.
Really?
Duh.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, really bad things are gonna happen in the future.
What do you mean?
Bad things, of course.
Well, I'm already beautiful, rich, and pretty and smart, and so nothing else bad can happen to me. I'm already too wonderful.
Are you sure?
Duh.
Good luck.
I need to get away from this gross place.
While she's walking home, she trips over a rock.
Whoa!
And
Ow.
it fractures her knee.
I think I fractured my knee.
When she goes in her house to check what she tripped on, she suddenly falls off the balcony and lands in a thorny bush.
Ow! I hate thorns. Get me out of here, get me out of here.
Suddenly, someone rushes her to the hospital. Meow.
What am I doing here?
You fell off a balcony in a thorn bush.
Are you that girl's little friend?
Who, Zoe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll be right back. I gotta go somewhere.
Okay. Hi, you're back.
Yeah, I'd like to buy that, pretty much all of it.
All of it? That'll be $200.
Sure. Here you go.
Yay! Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mommy, she's gonna live. Let's go check her out and give her the money. Okay, sweetie. How are you feeling? Well, I'm feeling much better. The doctor said I'm gonna be out in a few days. And it's all because of you.
Oh, that's so great.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The moral of the story is that you should always try to help charities and help people in need who are less fortunate than you. Like this little girl.
Like my best friend.
I told you bad things could happen. Yeah, well,